Today we are studying what questions in the future. Let's get started. What will you do next? What will you do next? What will you clean? What will you clean? What will you finish today? What will you finish today? What will you start? What will you start? What will you close? What will you close? What will you open? What will you open? What will you remember? What will you remember? What will you forget? What will you forget? What will you practice? What will you practice? What will you help with? What will you help with? What will you lose? What will you lose? What will you bring? What will you bring? What will you take? What will you take? What will you give? What will you give? What will you receive? What will you receive? What will you order? What will you order? What will you cancel? What will you cancel? What will you draw? What will you draw? What will you paint? What will you paint? What will you enjoy the most? Excellent job, guys! You've learned the last part of what questions. Guys, if you didn't see the part 1 or part 3, see it in my channel, guys. And also, see all of my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye, guys.